There comes a point when riding becomes less about polishing chrome every weekend and more about simply enjoying the road. That's exactly why shaft drive motorcycles continue to win over experienced riders. No chain to clean, no constant adjustments, and far less maintenance means more time doing what really matters, riding. Today, we're counting down 7 of the best shaft-driven motorcycles that older riders absolutely love in 2026. Some are luxurious tourers, others are surprisingly sporty, but every bike on this list combines comfort, reliability, and the kind of ownership experience that gets better with age. Let's start with number 7. Moto Guzzi V85 TT. The Moto Guzzi V85 TT is proof that adventure bikes don't have to be intimidating. At first glance, it has the rugged look of a machine ready to cross continents, but once you throw a leg over it, you'll discover a surprisingly approachable motorcycle. The upright riding position, comfortable seat, and wide handlebars create a relaxed posture that's especially appreciated by older riders who no longer enjoy crouching over a fuel tank for hours. The shaft drive is one of its biggest advantages, eliminating the chain maintenance that many adventure riders have accepted as normal. Instead, you simply fuel up and focus on the journey ahead. Power comes from Moto Guzzi's distinctive transverse V-twin engine, producing around 80 horsepower with a broad spread of torque that feels friendly rather than overwhelming. It isn't trying to break speed records, and honestly, that's part of its charm. The engine delivers smooth acceleration, plenty of character, and a pleasant exhaust note that makes every ride feel special. Whether you're exploring winding country roads or cruising comfortably on the highway, the V85 TT encourages a relaxed riding style that many experienced riders find far more rewarding than chasing maximum horsepower. Reliability has improved significantly over recent generations, and owners consistently praise how simple the motorcycle is to live with. The shaft drive requires minimal attention, fuel economy is respectable, and the bike's manageable weight makes parking lot maneuvers less stressful than many larger adventure motorcycles. Have you ever owned a Moto Guzzi? If so, let everyone know in the comments what surprised you the most about it. As enjoyable as the V85 TT is, the next motorcycle takes the idea of low-maintenance touring to an entirely different level. BMW R 1250 RT. If long-distance comfort were an Olympic event, the BMW R 1250 RT would always be competing for the gold medal. This motorcycle has become a favorite among mature riders who spend entire days crossing states or countries without feeling exhausted afterward. Everything about the RT is designed to reduce fatigue, from its supportive seating position to its excellent wind protection. Add in the maintenance-friendly shaft drive, and you've got a touring motorcycle that's built for serious mileage with surprisingly little effort from its owner. Its legendary boxer twin engine delivers abundant torque exactly where riders want it. Instead of constantly shifting gears to stay in the power band, the RT simply rolls forward with effortless confidence. Highway passing is smooth, mountain roads are enjoyable, and the balanced engine layout helps keep the motorcycle feeling remarkably stable. Features like electronic suspension adjustment, cruise control, heated grips, and heated seats make every ride feel luxurious, especially during cooler mornings or long interstate stretches. BMW has spent decades refining the RT, and that experience shows in every detail. It's one of those motorcycles that quietly earns your trust over thousands of miles. The shaft drive significantly reduces routine maintenance, while the premium build quality gives owners confidence for extended touring adventures. If you've ridden one of BMW's boxer-powered motorcycles, share your favorite memory below. But don't go anywhere, because our next motorcycle blends classic styling with modern technology in a way that has won over countless senior riders. Moto Guzzi California 1400. Touring for riders who appreciate timeless cruiser styling but don't want the endless chain maintenance found on some motorcycles, the Moto Guzzi California 1400 Touring remains an outstanding choice. It combines Italian personality with genuine long-distance comfort, offering relaxed ergonomics that feel tailor-made for experienced riders. The wide seat, generous floorboards, and naturally upright riding position make it easy to spend hour after hour enjoying scenic highways instead of counting the miles until your next rest stop. Its massive 1,380 cubic centimeters V-twin produces effortless low-end torque, exactly what cruiser enthusiasts appreciate most. Instead of encouraging aggressive riding, the California rewards smooth throttle inputs and relaxed cruising. The engine pulses with unmistakable character, giving every ride a mechanical personality that's becoming increasingly rare in today's motorcycle market. The shaft drive quietly transfers all that power to the rear wheel without requiring constant cleaning or lubrication, making ownership refreshingly simple. Technology also plays a larger role than many people expect. Ride modes, traction control, cruise control, and ABS all work together without taking away the bike's classic feel. Riders often mention how confidence-inspiring the motorcycle becomes after only a few miles. It's a machine that seems designed to help you slow down and enjoy the journey. Speaking of enjoying the journey, our next motorcycle proves that luxury touring doesn't always have to come with a heavyweight learning curve. BMW R1300 RT, the latest BMW R1300 RT, takes everything riders loved about its predecessor and makes it even better. Lighter, more refined, and packed with advanced technology, it's quickly becoming one of the most desirable touring motorcycles for riders entering retirement or simply looking for the ultimate road trip companion. Despite its impressive capabilities, the bike feels remarkably manageable thanks to excellent weight distribution and BMW's continued refinement of its Boxer platform. The updated Boxer engine delivers stronger performance across the rev range while remaining exceptionally smooth during everyday riding. Whether you're climbing mountain passes with luggage or cruising effortlessly at highway speeds, the engine never feels strained. Electronic rider aids work quietly in the background, helping rather than distracting. Adaptive cruise control, improved suspension systems, and sophisticated rider assistance features reduce fatigue on long rides, allowing older riders to focus entirely on the scenery. Perhaps the greatest compliment owners give this motorcycle is how little it asks from them. The shaft drive dramatically reduces maintenance, the engineering inspires confidence, and the overall riding experience feels polished from start to finish. Have you noticed how many experienced touring riders eventually end up on an RT? Let us know why you think that happens. Now, while BMW dominates the touring segment, the next motorcycle proves that Japanese engineering has its own compelling answer. Honda Goldwing Tourer. Few motorcycles have earned the respect of senior riders quite like the Honda Goldwing Tourer. For decades, it has defined luxury touring, and in 2026, it continues to set standards that many competitors still chase. Everything about the Goldwing prioritizes comfort, stability, and effortless long-distance riding. The seating position feels natural, passenger accommodations are exceptional, and the fairing provides outstanding wind protection that makes all-day rides genuinely enjoyable. Its silky, smooth six-cylinder engine is unlike anything else on two wheels. Power delivery is seamless, vibrations are almost non-existent, and acceleration feels incredibly refined. Even with its substantial size, the motorcycle remains surprisingly easy to control thanks to its low center of gravity. Slow-speed maneuvering becomes less intimidating than many first-time riders expect, making it an appealing choice for experienced motorcyclists who still love touring but appreciate a confidence-inspiring machine. Honda's reputation for reliability only strengthens the Goldwing's appeal. Combined with the maintenance-friendly shaft drive, owners spend far more time riding than working in the garage. Features like Apple CarPlay, premium audio, electronic suspension, and advanced safety systems transform every journey into something special. If you've ever completed a cross-country trip on a Goldwing, we'd love to hear about your favorite destination. Our next motorcycle takes a very different approach, blending classic cruiser style with modern engineering excellence. BMW R18 Transcontinental. The BMW R Transcontinental delivers old-school cruiser character wrapped in unmistakable German engineering. Its enormous boxer engine immediately grabs attention, but it's the comfort and refinement that keep experienced riders smiling mile after mile. Designed for long-distance travel, it features a plush seat, roomy ergonomics, excellent wind protection, and generous luggage capacity. Older riders often appreciate that the motorcycle feels substantial without becoming intimidating once it's underway. That massive 1,802 cubic centimeter boxer engine produces an abundance of low-end torque, allowing relaxed cruising with very little effort. There's no need to constantly chase higher RPMs because the engine simply pulls with authority from almost any speed. Combined with the smooth shaft drive, acceleration feels controlled and predictable, making highway touring both relaxing and enjoyable. The unique engine layout also gives the motorcycle an unmistakable personality that stands apart from traditional V-twin cruisers. BMW equipped the Transcontinental with premium technology including adaptive cruise control, multiple ride modes, sophisticated infotainment, and advanced rider assistance systems. Yet, despite all that technology, the bike never loses its classic appeal. It feels like a motorcycle built for riders who appreciate tradition but welcome modern convenience. We're down to our final entry now, and it's a motorcycle many experienced riders consider the ultimate combination of reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Number 1. Yamaha FJR1300. Even though the Yamaha FJR1300 is no longer the newest sport touring motorcycle on the market, it remains one of the smartest choices for experienced riders seeking dependable performance with minimal maintenance. Its shaft drive, bulletproof reputation, and balanced ergonomics have earned it an incredibly loyal following. The riding position strikes an ideal compromise between sporty control and all-day comfort, making it equally happy commuting during the week or crossing several states over a long weekend. The inline-4 engine is one of Yamaha's finest achievements. It delivers smooth, predictable power with enough performance to keep experienced riders entertained while remaining incredibly refined during relaxed highway cruising. Adjustable wind protection, comfortable seating, and excellent weather protection all contribute to reducing fatigue over long distances. Unlike some large touring bikes, the FJR still feels agile when the road becomes twisty, giving riders the best of both worlds. Perhaps the biggest reason older riders continue recommending the FJR1300 is simple ownership satisfaction. Yamaha built a motorcycle that just keeps going year after year with remarkably few surprises. Routine maintenance is straightforward, the shaft drive minimizes upkeep, and the reliability record speaks for itself. It's exactly the kind of motorcycle you buy because you want to ride, not spend weekends adjusting chains or chasing repairs. So, which of these 7 shaft-driven motorcycles would you choose for your next adventure? Or is there another maintenance-free favorite that deserves a place on this list? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to subscribe because we've got plenty more motorcycle content created specifically for riders who know that experience is the greatest upgrade of all. And if you know someone shopping for a touring bike who keeps getting told they need to spend more, send them this video. The best validation for any bike is owners who refuse to sell them. Want to know which bikes never break down regardless of age? If you spotted your next ride or learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling us which bike you take on a grand tour. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one.